Start.
Happy birthday, my dear son, Devang. મેગા સરસ્વતમ જીવે સરસ્વતમ 100 વર્ષનું આયુષ્ય થાય અને ખૂબ ખૂબ પ્રગતિ કર અને તારી જિંદગી આનંદમય સુખમય અને પ્રેમપૂર્વક જાય. તારો કુટુંબ તું અને ખૂબ ખૂબ આનંદિત રહો અને ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી થાવ એવા મારા આશીર્વાદ.
Dear Devang, happy birthday to you and very long life. And ભગવાનના કામમાં અને દાદાના કામમાં અવિરત રહે એવું અમારું શુભ ચિંતન છે. ઓકે.
Happy birthday to you.
Bye bye. मेरा कभी लाइट पर चालू कर रहा है but happy returns of the day.
कुछ नहीं पहले तो
હેપી બર્થડે દેવાંગ. ફૂલો ફાલો આગળ વધો, તરક્કી કરતા રહ્યો, જીવનમાં સુગંધ આવે એવું રહ્યો. અમારા તમને આશીર્વાદ છે. બોલો બસ તારે બોલવું બોલ હવે તું.
હેપી બર્થડે દેવાંગ. તમારા કુટુંબ સાથે તમે સુખી રહો, બાળ ગોપાળ મંડળી બહુ આનંદ કરે ને ખુશ રહે. હા, સુખી રહો તમે. ઓકે, હેપી બર્થડે.
Hi Devang. Devang, we know you for nearly 10 years now. We saw you in various avatars.
We saw your unconditional love for your parents and your wife. We saw your respect for elders.
Your extrovert nature with witty and humorous jokes makes Kodak moment forever. Your lovely surprises and gifts which brought smile on our faces.
We saw you growing as a passionate father of two lovely kids,
But-
with whom you also become a kid.
But for Prisha there are 3 kids to handle.
Yes.
And one of them is Devang, which is very difficult to handle. We wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you a healthy and joyous life to the fullest. We all love you, Devang.
Say, I love you, Fuha. Happy birthday, Fuha.
So Prisha Bhabhi has asked me to say something nice about you in one word. One word is maybe you're witty and a brother with a very good heart, very helpful and very emotional at times. अब रोना मत ये वीडियो देख के. And yeah, love you lots and take care of yourself and your family, and you are an excellent bro, very loving and always giving, thinking about others. So take care, happy birthday. अच्छा, I have one question for you. हमारे बचपन के फोटोज कहाँ रखे हैं? Tell.
Hi Devang, wish you many happy returns of the day and wish you many more such years. Yesha,
यशा हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलो.
Yesha uncle को
हाय देवांग, मेनी मोर हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
Hi, happy birthday Devang. Hope you are enjoying watching this video and reliving a lot of happy moments with it. And I wish you a very happy birthday along with a lot of success, prosperity and good health in the coming years. And yes, something that I may not have said before is that every time you've done something special for me or written those letters that on Raksha Bandhan, they have really been special to me and they have all found a place in my drawer and I cherish them. Thank you so much for all of it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Devang, many happy returns of the day.
શું બોલો?
Happy birthday Devang.
Happy birthday.
Hi Devang, wish you many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead and may all your dreams come true. Take care. Bye.
Hi Devang, wish you many happy returns of the day. You have been a real fun and amazing jolly brother. I've had some great memories, especially in Bandra, if you know what I mean. And you have given some great advices and some very funny advices. Wish you a great year ahead.
Hi Devang, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Devang. Have a fantastic time. See you.
This is Nyan here. You are a great guy. What can I about you say? You are very passionate in your work, and you are really a good manager for our team. Okay, and I know you are very. It means like your decision is sometimes your decision is not good for our team, or sometimes it's really helpful our team. Okay, so what can you're very you're very sensitive sometimes, so that will be good enough. So at the end, happy birthday.
Hi Devang, bet you're surprised. Wish you many happy returns of the day. You are married to one of my favorite girls, and thank you so much for creating such a beautiful life with her. And for this alone, you deserve all the happiness in the world. Lots of love. Bye.
You are always motivating us. Thank you for being so supportive. Happy birthday, sir.
Remember any incident where you find Devang sir very helpful, very
Yes, obviously. In most of the projects, whatever I did yet, I found it little bit, hard for me to do it on time. But he was always there to help me, to make the things right. He was there to say that yes, you can do it, and that's what I like.
Happy birthday, Devang! Cheers! Let's have a party next week.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devang. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Devang. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Devang.
દેવાંગભાઈ કેમ છો? મજામાં છો? તબિયત સારી છે? તમે જન્મदिनની खूब खूब शुभकामना। मोटा भाई, आपके स्पेशल दिन के लिए मेरी तरफ से एक स्पेशल गुजराती मैसेज आपके लिए। जब प्रेशा ने मुझे इस सरप्राइज़ के बारे में बताया तो मुझे कैपजेमिनी वाला टाइम याद आ गया जब आप प्रेशा को सरप्राइज़ देने आए थे। गॉड ब्लेस यू देवांग and keep smiling always, and also keep grabbing low hanging fruits. मेरी और पूनम की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामना।
हैप्पी बर्थडे देवांग।
Live long and prosper.
How are you and Pressure? First of all, wish you many happy birthday and many returns of the day. जैसे कि हम बहुत थोड़ी बार मिले हैं, मे बी 2-3 बार, बट जब भी मिले हैं लाइक यूके रिसोर्ट में मिले हैं, प्रेशर के पार्टी में मिले हैं, सो वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट। सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड। आई वांट टू से दैट यू एंजॉय योर डे। थैंक यू किरण।
ये देवांग भाई, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। सो सॉरी, पहले मैं वीडियो नहीं कर पाया। चलो पहला नहीं तो एटलीस्ट लास्ट तो रहूँगा मैं विश करने के लिए। चलो once again मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। Have a great year ahead. Okay, bye bye.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devang. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. And meet you in the zoo.
हाय देवांग, हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी। थोड़ी थोड़ी पिया करो, जाम तेरे नाम। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Many happy returns of the day, Devang. Wish you very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Devang.
Happy birthday, Devang. Today I want to tell you the truth that you coming to my life is the best gift God has given to me. Thank you for being such a brilliant life partner and a wonderful parent and a wonderful son too. Nobody would have been, and I can't think of anyone else who can make me so much happy as you. I can still see my future with you when we are old, and I will be happily enjoying each other's company. I'm sure you would also be thinking the same. Look forward for many happy years with you. Thanks for all the support you have given to me at each and every step of my life. Thanks for being such a loving, caring, wonderful husband. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Bye.
सर हर एक चीज़ के साथ है ना कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो पार्टी, यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, दैट इज़ ओके, बट नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ विद हिज वर्क. The rules he set, you should follow it, you should do it, and he will help regarding that, but you will have to do that. For example, once I was here one Saturday, and suddenly sir came and he asked me that how is your development and all. So I just started telling him that yeah, this is going on and everything. Later on he found that my solution was little bit slow, so he told me, okay, just tell me what are the issues you are getting. So he went in the back end and he saw I was using a lot of functions and all in procedure. So there was one point in his mind, did you just read that our documents, our documents. So I was really scared because the way he told me that don't you know how important is that, do you read it, so it was very scary thing for me at that time. I was scared. Okay.
Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth,